Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there were winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my
You know, this is throwback, boys. This is a throwback. This is a throwback to my childhood, right? I don't know why, but this song, man, it had a moment in time where, you know, I might have had this on repeat. You know, I might have had some Wonderwall on fucking repeat, man. It was, you know, a time of my life when I was a kid, you know, like 13, 14. You know, you're gonna be the one that saves me. Gonna be the one that saves me. Gonna be the one that saves me. It's a good one, man. You know, people always like, you know who I really hate? You know who I really hate? Out of all the people on this world, which obviously, you know, I talk a lot of shit, but the worst type of person is the kind of person who's like, oh, I only like country. Oh, I only like rap. You know, I only like this type of music. I just feel like there's no reason to not love all types of good music, right? Like, it doesn't matter what genre, what year. Good music is good music. And, you know, as you go back through the ages, there are so many times where, you know, really, really good music brought people together. It brought the world together. So I think people nowadays that are like so caught up in like, oh, I don't listen to that. Ooh, Oasis, that's stupid. Like, you don't get it, you know? Good music at the end of the day brings people together. It incites a feeling. It gives you a feeling. And yeah, there's no reason to be that guy who's like, oh man, I hate that. That's terrible music. I prefer, you know, if I'm thinking like music wise, I prefer kind of 90s, 80s. If I'm chilling, just kind of playing some old stuff, because it was good, man. People sang about real stuff back in the day, you know, like music had a purpose. Nowadays, it's just like, fuck your mama, fuck your money, we're gonna get more money, fuck yeah, money, 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 fuck money. I'm the biggest, I'm the largest, money, money, money. You know, I mean, that's kind of the world we live in now. So I think I look back at my childhood, I look back at my life, and I'm like, oh, you know, there's been a lot of moments where there were certain songs, certain bands, certain stuff that really kind of defined me, you know, defined me as at that part in my life. Like this song right here, I don't know about if y'all remember this song. We'll see if y'all remember this. Who remembers this song? Classic, right? This came out 15 years ago, and I remember singing this song, and I was like, come, my lady, you my butterfly, sugar, baby. I had no idea what the lyrics meant. I just thought it was sick. You know, I had my CD. I had a little CD player in my truck, and it was like, let's play this song, man. Drive around, pick up some chicks. Don't bet you won't try. I had all these lyrics. Like, I thought, for some reason, when I was a kid, I thought that this song, like, if I knew all the lyrics to this song, you know, like, I would get a lot of pussy. You know, I'm like, well, man, if I know the lyrics to this song, you know, I want to be swimming in it. I'm going to be swimming in that pussy. You're my lady, you make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. And the funny part is, like I said, I didn't even know what these lyrics were about. I'm like, yeah, come my lady, come my lady. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just singing. Oh man. So yeah, little throwback to the music back in the day, man. Twisted and used up. I've mixed it and I missed it. All right. Right now, we got the Nasdaq. Look at this. The bull market continues, baby. Look at Nvidia finally breaking out to the upside here. I am fucking dick deep long right now, Nvidia. I've been long Nvidia for too long. Since we had that big sell-off. If you guys remember back there. Remember in April? Remember in April when everybody was like, Patrick, the market's going to zero. The market's going to zero. This is back when all, you know, the market was crashing or whatever you want to call it. And look at Nvidia now, up there to almost $150. If you're still watching, remember this call out, Patrick Wieland. God. Thank you, miss. You can go look at the Wall Street Journal. Go look at the Wall Street Journal, Patrick Wieland, in the Wall Street Journal back there in May. Do the numbers here. Where are we at? We're up almost 100% since I called the bottom in the paper. Yo, my sexy lady, I makes your legs shake, you make me go crazy. My lady, you my sexy baby, I make your legs sick, make me go crazy. Sugar, baby. Make your legs shake, you make me go crazy. All right. Still, the Bulls are in control. Come and dance with me. All right, so just to give proof here, check this out. Back there in April 25th, you can see in the Wall Street Journal, Patrick Wieland has snapped up shares of leveraged ETF that aims to generate 3 times the daily performance of the Nasdaq. This is back in April, by the way, right? This is it's in the fucking paper, right? In the goddamn paper. Wall Street Journal, Patrick Wieland calling the bottom. The Bulls are going to party all the way to the fucking moon. That's back when, TQQ was about $40 there. And yeah, ever since this article came out, look what happened. Ever since I called the bottom, we have only gone up. I mean, who's doing it like this, chat? Who's doing it like this? You know who? Nobody. Nobody's doing it like this, chat. Ain't nobody doing it like this. All right, really excited today as well because, well, you know, we love seeing people getting, you know, support for being retarded out there. It's important to report to. We gotta always support the retards. Never not support them. You know, if there's one goal in life, support the retards. Always. All right, we always got to do that. It's very important because the retards need our help. All right, they need our help. If they don't have us, who do they have? Who do they have if they don't have us? You know, who? Today's retard of the day, we got Jay Dunn. Y'all remember the old CEO of Fuck Family Futures is going to be on Tradeify TV. I cannot wait to listen to the retarded shit that comes out of this motherfucker's head. Look at that picture alone. Looks like the head of my dick. Looks like a little dickhead. You know, like a little penis head. Look at that little penis head. Why does his head look like that? Little penis head. God, Tradeify. Shame on you, Tradeify. Shame on you, Tradeify. Shame. Shame on Tradeify for putting that fucking proven scammer on their live stream. Oh my God, that is shame. I'm almost embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. That is absolutely embarrassing. Tradeify. It's embarrassing, Brett. You guys are embarrassing the entire industry. Like you're embarrassing the entire industry, by the way. So I don't know why you would give that guy a platform, but it's embarrassing. It's fucking embarrassing. And yeah, I'm embarrassed. It's embarrassing. No, I'm just being honest. It's embarrassing. Actually embarrassing. Like really embarrassing. Oh, man. Embarrassing. It's embarrassing. It's actually embarrassing. This is embarrassing. All right. Embarrassing. Does anybody know how embarrassing this is? It's embarrassing. All right. Nasdaq, look at this thing. Still going higher. What's wrong with Jay Dunn? I don't know. Do you remember when he was the CEO of Funded Futures Family and he was letting Danny Trades post fake broker statements and using his account to trade and doing other scammy ass shit? Yeah, no, I wonder what's wrong with Jay Dunn. Remember that prop firm that they used to run that now Danny's daddy runs? I mean, come on. Yeah, no, look into that. That's embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. So, and again, like I said, Tradeify, shame on you guys. Very embarrassing. I'm embarrassed. You guys are embarrassing yourselves. And I hope you learn a lesson here that that's embarrassing. I mean, hey, I'm all for getting views on live stream, but to have Jay Dunn on there, that's embarrassing. Actually embarrassing. Didn't you take a photo with him at the NHL and say to your friends? Not with Jay Dunn. I did it with Brett Simba. But I guess now me and Brett Simba are not going to be friends anymore. So, embarrassing. Tradeify falling off, man. Falling off their rocker over there. I don't get it. Embarrassing. I mean, it's just the fact that you literally have a guy that was proven to just be a massive fuckboy, and then you're going to put him on your live stream. It's embarrassing. Actually embarrassing. Real embarrassing. All right, Nasdaq still going higher here. Still going. 22,500 right now, pushing up there. Pushing up. Hey. Embarrassing. How many times I gotta say it? 22,500 level. Where are we at? Where are we at? Let's look at the bigger picture here. What do we got for resistance coming up? Daily chart. Fucking A, man. We are we're in this area. I guess it's hard because of the rollover. What was the price on the old contract? So 22,500 level. Let's see what happens. Are we at all-time highs? I don't think so, right? No. It's confusing. This is all-time highs? $22,435. Fucking A. That's crazy. Yeah, no, fucking A. Look at QQQ. It is all-time highs. Holy shit. I thought we were like not there yet, but we're there. You can see I got a thing on the channel there. So go back in time. Buy more QQQ. How's the first 10 payouts? I don't think anybody's gotten a payout yet with funding ticks. It has. I don't think it's been enough time. It'll maybe be like maybe today or tomorrow. Somebody could request a payout. I don't know. I got to ask the guys over there what's going on with that. But oh, this is a good one. Y'all remember this song? You know what's crazy is like I look at these songs and I'm like, are these songs really only 8 years old? Like, did Gorillaz Feel Good Inc. only come out 8 years ago? That's crazy. I think it was a lifetime ago. A lifetime ago. So. It came out in 2005? Yeah, I don't know why. YouTube said 8 years ago. Are we going to go to the Asia low and then back up? Maybe. I mean, this is kind of one of those situations. We've talked about this before, right? Where when the market, we're at an extreme right now. We're at the high of the, overall of this candle right now. So it's like, look at that date. Look at these daily candles. We did break out there. Bull flag breakout. Now the question is, do we? It's a pretty small body right now. Pretty small body. Only about 100 points on that candle. So. I mean, I don't think it's out of the question that we go higher here. It's just the question number one of, do we pull back? You know, do we pull back here? Boop, 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 boop. $600s a day after the 10 a.m. news. What do we got news-wise? Well, I don't think we have much news today, do we? I think the bigger news is tomorrow. By the way, this will be my last stream. Guys, by the way, this will be my last stream at the BDH for like a month and a half. I'm heading to Hawaii tomorrow morning. I will not be streaming tomorrow. Probably won't be streaming on Friday. Maybe on Friday. Depends if I can get everything set up tomorrow night. But probably not, to be honest. And then next week, we're streaming live from Hawaii. I'll be in Hawaii. I'll be waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to be streaming for you guys, so make sure you keep coming back. But yes, the BDH, taking a little vacation, and we got some stuff to look forward to. We got some stuff to look forward to here. All right. All right. We're getting ready for market open here. We got plenty of time here. Plenty of time. Yeah, Powell testifying today. I mean, he was testifying yesterday, and the market just kept going up. So do we get the same response today? Does the market just keep going up with the guy? 1 hour chart pullback to the 400s and then to the moon. I like it.
Hey Patrick, what is your daily routine?
My daily routine?
Get up and sit down to PC. Do you trade before starting the stream?
Hey. Someone said, I think Nutty Bar is mad at Patrick again. I don't think so. Why would Nutty Bar be mad at me? He loves me. Patrick, do you own some Bitcoins? I got all the Bitcoins. I need some support from people. If you think it's fucked up that Tradeify is letting Jay Dunn go on their stream and promote his scam Discord, let us know on Twitter. I think it's a joke. I honestly do. I mean, I'm going to have a very interesting conversation with Brett Simba later. I cannot be associated with a company that promotes Jay Dunn. So, yeah, I might be having to cut ties with Tradeify after this because this is fucking uncalled for. This is like literally the most shameful shit I've ever seen in the industry. It's a joke. Let them know, chat. Let them know. Let them know, chat. Embarrassing. Fucking embarrassing. What has Jay done? I don't know. Did he fucking not scam everybody at Family Futures? Did he not scam everybody at Family Futures? Come on, guys. Like, do you really need me to go back and find and show all the evidence over and over? You know, do I need to go back and show you guys? Do we need to go down that path? I think it's pretty clear. We all know what Jay Dunn did. Let's be honest. Do I need to go back in time? I don't think so. I don't think so. This is my favorite right here. Ask Jay Dunn. What happened? I'm just going to leave this on the stream today. Back when Danny Trades says that everybody's going to owe him apologies for defamation. When Danny Trades shows everybody the truth. He's going to show everybody the truth. Oh, what did Jay Dunn said? Yeah, man. Make them eat their words, Danny. They're going to look bad. Oh, God. What did Jay Dunn and Danny do? They used to run a prop firm called Family Funded Futures, which now Danny's dad runs. It's a massive scam. And Jay Dunn and Danny just magically stopped running it, and then Danny's dad runs it. I mean, it's a joke. It's a fucking joke. Why would anybody? I cannot be associated with a company that works with fucking Jay Dunn. Like, it's a joke. It looks bad on me. It looks bad on my fucking everything. What a joke. It's a joke. All right. Tradeify. Brett Simbo just said he's cut me. Tradeify has cut PW. There we go. Perfect. Everybody let him know. Well, that'll be fun. So, whatever. They just cut their biggest affiliate and the #1 trader on their leaderboard over a scammer. Think about that. That's who they value. That's who Tradeify values. A proven scammer. So, Brett, you text me, do you want to cut me now? That's what you said, Brett. Brett, you literally text me. I'll show you the text message, Brett. You said, cutting me end of day. Cutting me end of day. That's what Brett said. Brett just said cutting me end of day. So I said cut me now. Brett, tell the truth, bro. Tell the truth. Why would you feature Jay Dunn? Why would you promote Jay Dunn? What has Jay Dunn ever done for Tradeify? Is it because you guys are butt buddies? Is that why, Brett? Are you guys best friends? I guess everybody can just go ahead and cut ties with Tradeify because this is a joke. PW is literally the only influencer on their leaderboard. Amazing. That's amazing work. That's really good work, Tradeify. Great work, guys. What a joke. Okay. Sounds good. Well, let's go. Put Jay Dunn up there. Awesome. Oh, man. All right, Nasdaq, 22,500s. We're holding up there. We're holding up there. Holding up there, 22,500s right now. Funding ticks. Hey, funding ticks. You know, there's options out there. Whatever. Let me know. Use the code PW. All right, funding ticks. You gotta love it. All right, right now, Nasdaq, 22,500s, holding up there. Where's the music? We need the music here. It's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, that's crazy. I'm amazed right now. That's crazy. Literally crazy right now. Whatever. It just shows you. It just shows you who a prop firm values. Do they value the profitable trader who's on top of the leaderboard? Who's been on the leaderboard for over, I don't know how long now. Where's Jay Dunn at? Why is Jay Dunn not on the leaderboard? It's weird. It's weird, man. I don't know why they're not. Why is Jay Dunn not there? All right, Nasdaq, 22,500 level, holding up there. Will we hold support? Do-do-do-do-do. Bow. Oh,
S&P dropped 0.5% at open.
S&P dropped 0.5%. 0.5%? Why 0.5? Crazy. Crazy. 0.5. How much is 0.5? 0.5 right there. That's wait. Oh, I guess is it like 0.5? So like from here, 0.5 all the way to here. 380s, 0.5. .5. Will you show us your entry? Oh yeah, no problem. I got you, baby. I mean, the best part is, this is the best part. All right, I just want to make something clear. I was not the only person to call Jay Dunn a scammer, right? Tradeify posted that they were going to have Jay Dunn on their stream. The first comment said, bad look, guys. Known scammer. Somebody else goes, Jay Dunn, Wednesday. Somebody else goes, what a joke. Somebody said, embarrassing. Scammer alert. So, you know, that's all. I mean, it wasn't even on me. So, I guess I'm a terrible person for pointing out the obvious. You know, I'm a terrible person. So, that's who you get. This is who the industry supports. Known scammers over somebody who is literally on top of the leaderboard. What are you gonna, I mean, I'm on top of the leaderboard. Where's Jay Dunn? Nowhere. Why is that? Oh yeah, because he doesn't make money. Because he doesn't make money. All right, we got 2 minutes here, 2.5 minutes till market open. Well, let's see if we can make some money here today. Have I ever thought about making my own prop firm? Not really. I don't really want to, man. I want to just like do what I'm doing. I'm good at YouTube. I'm good at live streaming. I'm decent at trading. So running a prop firm, that's like a 9 to 5. That's like a full-time job, you know? I don't want to be responsible for that. I don't want to be responsible for that. We got 2 minutes here till market opens. 2 minutes. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Is it a short or is it a buy? I mean, I feel like we got to pull back here. But, I mean, this market has just been going up, up, up. We're at all-time highs for the QQQ right now. We're literally at the all-time high here on the Qs right now. So, we'll see what happens. Market open coming up. 30 seconds. See if we get a pullback. Got the VWAP down there at the 440s. Fuck. It's hard to get. I mean, do you just go long and ride this thing higher, or do we wait for a pullback? Question. 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 Here we go. Market's open. Straight up so far. But I ain't touching this right now. Good time to stay out of it. I want to see where this kind of ends up at. This first 1 minute candle. We took out these little lows right here so far. This is a great spot to get fucked at because you can go short here and you get destroyed. You can go long here and also get destroyed. I want to avoid both of those options, to be honest. Oh, fucking A. There she goes, ripping to the upside. All right, that's fine. Let it do it. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. This could be just a big old wick. Get denied up there, you know? Could be. I mean, or we just keep going to the moon. I mean, I don't know. Where's the 0.5 guy at? Where'd he go? He said the market was going to drop 0.5. 0.5%. .5%. We broke out there on the 15-minute chart, straight to the upside here. I just like... I do not want... I mean, fuck. Like, maybe we just keep grinding higher here, but I think there's got to be some type of pullback. Right? Like, just some type of pullback here. Smells super fishy. Why does it have to pull back? Well, I mean, we're at all... It doesn't have to. You're not wrong. It doesn't have to pull back. But, like, it's just hard to get long. You know, wick there. Hard to get long there. There's that pullback. Let it pull it back here. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. Holding up there at the 500s again. If this candle closes green, I might just jump in. YOLO it. Uh-oh. All right, if we get over 520, I'm just gonna get in with some small size. Looking for a quick rip up there above these highs, these candles, is what I'd be looking for. So basically looking for like a 520 break here. And then we're trying to get through that high again. There's that 520 push. Giving it a second. Not long yet. Not long. Not. Right here. I'm long. All right, we want to push straight up through this 30 now. Stop is at the low of that candle. Gonna chop here. Trouble. Trouble. Stopped out for now. Just didn't want to go there. Might have been too tight on that stop. Wow. That's wrong. That's just wrong. We'll try another long here, see if we can't make it back real quick. If it's going to pop up here or not. I cannot believe I got stopped out at the low of that candle. That sucks. There's the push that we wanted. 530s now. Now I need to get like up here to that 40 area to try to get back to the green on that trade. Literally got stopped out. That was just really bad. That was a bad stop. That was just a bad stop. That's all that was. Wasn't a bad trade, just a bad stop. Sorry about that. Sorry, chat. My apologies. All right, can we ramp up here towards that 40 area next? Stuck here for now. Trying to push. Give me 39s here. Oh, come on. Can you take me higher? Come on, 39s. This would have been my original, like I wanted to be long here and then kind of out of this already, but we're going to let this ride a little longer. Putting a stop. I'm trying to keep my stop like right below this. See, we get some continuation through the 30s now. It's just like kind of keep moving the stop because I feel like it's going to wick down here now. So I don't want to get stopped out stupid again. I don't want to get stopped out stupid, so we need this to push right here through the 40s next. All right, up there to the 38s. Come on. Get through the 40s there. We're so close. All right, now I've got my stop there at the 23s, right above my entry. A little bit of hesitation there. Now I feel like it's going to wick down, stop me out here. Come on. We kind of wicked above those candles and then got stuck. Looking for the push through the 40s possible. We are long. Come on. We'll just get filled here at the 41. See if I can get filled. Beautiful. All right, I want to really quick recap here on this. Really quick recap. Let me just do a little quick recap on this, right? Just to talk about this. You can see my first entry was basically getting above the high of this previous candle. It's still going higher, but I just fucked up, right? I played it too tight, right? I mean, that's just, I'm being honest. I played it too tight. Maybe I'm a little bit in my head right now, you know, the stuff going on, whatever. It's not good to have like emotions going into trading at the open. Obviously, in the last 15 minutes, stuff has happened here, and I might be a little on tilt. So I'm aware of that. I may, you know, my stop right there probably wasn't where I should have been. My stop realistically really should have been at the low of this candle. So we got it done. You know, we got stopped out, which it happens. We entered 19s, got stopped out there. But the focus here is what, right? Our largest losing trade, $270. Our largest winning trade, $800. And that's it. I showed you guys the entry. I showed you the loss. I showed you getting stopped out. And, you know, I have nothing to hide here. It's all real. It's happening. This is trading. You know, I think a lot of people, they don't show you this stuff because they don't want you to see it. They don't want you to be like, oh, wow, Patrick gets stopped out. I do. You know, I get stopped out. It happens. It's part of business. As a trader, you're going to get stopped out. But the last thing that I should do is get stopped out here and then be like, oh my God, you know, oh my God, I've got to get short now. Like that would be a really bad idea, right? Like that would be just a bad idea on my part. Don't do that, you know? Don't do it. So I showed you guys. I don't know why it's like the Tradeify just like froze for a second. Coming back. It's weird. I don't know why. Now my entries aren't there. Why are my entries not there? Oh, it changed my account. There we go. Now we got it. So there's you can see my entries. Yeah, just getting stopped out there. Kind of a stupid stop. Like I said, that's my bad. You know, I got stopped out. I don't know. It wasn't where I wanted to get stopped out at. You know what I mean? So Nasdaq still going higher, up there through the 540s. Went to a high of 45 now. That was a nice little trade. That's from the 21s up there to the 41s, 20 points. That was my kind of original entry. Stupid stop there. It happens. And yeah, let's see what happens there next. I mean, right now, if you look on the bigger time frames, Nasdaq pushing up here. You got that pivot point right there at the 550s, trying to go. And yeah, we're just sitting back here. Get a pullback. Get a pullback. We have not gotten a pullback yet. We're still kind of just holding up there. It's kind of still holding up. Still holding up. We got 5,800 people watching. If you guys haven't, hit that like button, subscribe button. We're making money live on YouTube. I need a pullback here, you know? Like, I just got to get some type of pullback. You know, like, give me something here, chat. We had one little trade there at open. I mean, do we keep riding this higher? $1 million question, you know? I like to be a little patient. But yeah, big news this morning. Tradeify cut me off because I pointed out the fact that Jay Dunn is a massive scammer, piece of shit. They have him on their live stream right now, which I said I just don't know why anybody would promote this guy. You know, why? I think it's a bad look for the industry. I think it's bad for everybody. So, be mad at me for pointing out the obvious. Well, whatever. Got a pivot point right there, 22,550s. I have no idea why they're defending a scammer. I have no idea. Like I said. I don't know. Brett Simba said, do you want to get cut off? So.
You get credit from all these customers and they backstab you for a scammer. It's a dirty business with these trading gurus.
I mean, it's crazy. Like I said. I'm on top of the leaderboard. Where's Jay Dunn at? Nowhere. Why? It's weird. What a weird move. What a weird move. Have you ever been on their show? Why would I be on their show? There's no reason to. I have 5,700 people watching right now. They have less than 1,000. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back 22,000. This is that we need. I told you, we need a pullback. We need a pullback. Yeah, I mean, why would I go on another live stream when I'm already the biggest and the largest? You know? You know what I mean? Why? Why would I? What is Dakota doing? What is Dakota doing right now? Anybody know? What's crazy is, again, today, very small range. We had no pullback at open there. I still have not figured out why Jay Dunn's head looks the way that it looks. I think he has, he's got, what do you call it? Zika. He's got that Zika. He's got that Zika virus. You know the little baby's heads? I think I found it, actually. Look at this. This might be fucked up, but I think I found what's wrong with Jay Dunn's head. There's a little Zika virus. Little baby head. That's why he got a little baby head. It's fucked up. I'm not making a joke of this, but maybe. Or maybe his mom smoked too many cigarettes. Either way, you know, hey, who knows? My mom might have done crack while I was a baby, but who knows? It is what it is. It is what it is. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. This is my guru. This is my trading. Look at my trading guru. He's the best guru. Look at that ball. Dude, this I've seen bad tattoos, and then I've seen Jay Dunn's tattoos. He's got his Louis Vuitton belt. He's got, I don't even know what those shorts are. He's got a fucking, it's, oh God, market's crashing. Market's crashing. Here's that pullback. Thank God we didn't go long at the top again. Opening range low, breaking right now, pulling back. VWAP, ES is selling. ES is selling. Nasdaq's selling. Who's talking? What's happening? That's the 5% move. Fuck. We got Powell speaking at 10 o'clock today. Nasdaq selling, the ES selling here. They kind of lose this 490 area. VWAP down there at the 470s. We got to build out a bit of a bear flag. Right? We need a bit of a bear flag to form here is what I'm looking at. I want to see like maybe a retest. I cannot, do not just get, well, you could, but I can't just get short right here. I need a retest. Retest. Looking for a retest here. Guy paid $2 to say I told you so. Fuck yeah. Hey, if you pay $2 to say I told you so, that's fine. That's fine with me. Go ahead and do it. I'd be a little worried. Look at that. My Fun in Futures. Use the code PW at My Fun in Futures. Get the best deals always. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta get a screenshot of that somehow. Oh, I'm pretty excited because I'm getting a lift installed today. You might hear some noise in the background. We're getting a car lift installed. What happened? Getting a car lift installed so that I can put multiple cars in the BDH. Not behind me, but next to me. See, this is that pushback that I wanted to see. Now the question is this going to be a trap for the bears down there? Right? This could be just a big old trap. And just kind of chop around here some more.
My funded futures S2F.
Oh, I heard DayTraders.com is now going to have a straight to funded program as well. Seems like that'll be the new thing, right? Everybody doing the straight to funded stuff. The overnight low down there, 22,400s. See, this is exactly why I did not get short down here and FOMO into this. You know? Exactly why we didn't. Now's a good time. Now we need to see. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we push all the way back to the top of the range again. Honestly. We got news coming out here in 3 minutes. A little bit of news. Market right back up in the middle of the 15-minute range again. We took one trade earlier, got stopped out. If you're just now tuning in, we showed this whole trade live. Earlier got long, got stopped out, got long again, took profit. The thing here that this is what I really want to drive home, right? I want to drive this home with you guys. Not only did we have a loser, we had a loser, all right? That's part of it. But what did we do? We stuck to the plan. We took another trade. And look, even though I was in the red, right? Even though I was down, my next trade made up for that. You know what I mean? Like, my next trade made the loser go away and put me back in the green. And that right there, my friends, is trading. That is how you should be trading. Hey, you have a loser? That's fine. It doesn't matter. What matters is, what's the next opportunity? Is there another opportunity to come? I think getting stopped out there, that was just silly. You know, very silly move on my part. But either way, we protected our risk. We got in. We did it again. And then we got our trade done. So, I'm happy with that. Patrick, what disease do you have? I got elephantitis. My nuts, man, they just keep fucking growing and growing. Before I know it, I'm only 36, and by the time I'm 50, they're going to be like 300 pounds apiece. You got Trump speaking. Elephantitis, man, my nuts, they just keep growing and growing and growing. All right, we got news coming out here in like 30 seconds. Patrick, can you describe your thought process while watching this? Yeah, well, we just took out the low there. Could be a nice little trap setup. If you look at the 5-minute chart, that wick, we took out this low. We're hitting here now. So it's like, kind of sets you up for one of these, right? That's my thought process. We got Powell speaking today as well. I mean, we're at all-time highs. QQQ, all-time highs right now. Look at the Qs. I mean, just because we're at all-time highs does not mean we're going to pull back today. You know, it creates all-time highs, can create euphoria, gets people excited, could bring in more buyers. Ruben Garcia wants a short so bad. He wants to get short so bad. But see, that's the best part about trading, right? You can make money both long and short. It don't matter, right? Hey, choose your poison, you know? Did I set more delay in YouTube? No, just refresh your YouTube. We've got 5,800 people. If we can get 6,000 people, I will drop $1,000 to someone in the chat. That's right, $1,000 cash, PayPal. We got to get 6,000 viewers here. $1,000. Tell everybody. Market is sitting right here in the middle of the 15-minute range. ES is pulling back. ES back down. Could not make a new high. Nasdaq could not make a new high there. Ali said short all day. Uh-oh. We got Trump speaking as well right now. Oh, yeah, Trump. He's at NATO speaking right now. Trump is Trump. Trump. I need a drink. BRB. Right back. I'll be right back. Zoa? What the fuck is Zoa? Ginger gets me a Zoa energy drink. Where the fuck is the C4 at, Ginger? Ginger's fired. Everybody's fired. Get the fuck out, everybody. $22,500. Nasdaq 22,500 area. Oh yeah, sorry, I gotta use a drink. I gotta put the little koozie on there. Landon got me this little koozie. Crazy little kid. It's got little handles on it. It's a puffin. It's a puffin. Yum, 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 yum. All right, Nasdaq again to the bottom of that 15-minute range. Are we going lower? Ruben's short. Come on, Ruben, make some money. Make some money, Ruben. Ruben. There's that push again. I just like I don't want to trade in this range right now. I'm over it. I don't want to change that. I don't want to trade that range. Oh shit! $1,800. We got the biggest. Khaled's the CEO of Funding Ticks. If you have any problems with Funding Ticks, don't tell me, tell him. Give away some free Tradeify accounts. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. Would you ever visit Australia? I've been to Australia. Man. What are you talking about? All right, that's a little like retest here of that those EMAs up there. Do I go short? I'm gonna try a short here with a stop above that, and I want to try to get a break through the 490s, and I'm gonna try to ride this down. I only got 5 contracts, so might be a little bit of a chase there. Ruben's short, looking for 472. Let's go. We're right there at the bottom of that fucking range, man. Got the VWAP down there at like the 78s. Ugh. Right back up here again, 510s. Giving it some room. I don't like this. If this candle starts to push, we're in trouble. Obviously. Just held that range down there, didn't it? Ruben, it's all Ruben's fault. I was not going to trade this, but then I saw that move down. And I'm like, ooh, let me take a little shorty short. I'll go above 520s here for a stop. Right in the middle of that range. Good Lord. Sticking to the plan here. I might add to this if this candle closes like with a nice wick on top of it, I'll add to this trade. Not the best close, but I want to see now if we can get below 510s again. And then see if I can maybe add here. I just want to see where give this candle a little bit of time. We just got that first 1 minute candle to open here. Or, well, not first, but we just got that 1 minute candle just opened. So give it a little bit of time here because I don't want to short into another wick. I don't want to short into another wick here. Back to our entry again. I like it. We just need to get through 490s and we're golden, boys. We're going to be golden here. We got to be golden. Oh, yeah. We're going to be golden, I think. Dude, Tradeify. I mean, Tradeify right now. I don't even know what's going on. It's lagging. Just swap me out of the... It's like changing my accounts on me. All right, now we're back in. We're still short here. 499s. Looking for a move down 70s or so. Can we get it? Everybody's saying I shorted above the VWAP. You're not wrong. You guys are all very right. So if I lose on this trade, it's my own doing, right? It's my own doing. I'm okay with that. I will take full responsibility if this is a losing trade. I will take full responsibility if I lose money on this trade. I mean, if we can just get through 490s, I think we got to get down there 70s or so. Oh, shit. I'm moving my stop to break even now. We can't lose. But hopefully this candle doesn't do some stupid shit and come all... We bounced right at the fucking VWAP, by the way. We're bouncing right there at the fucking VWAP. I might just take it there. I don't like that we just bounced right off the VWAP. It might be... We might, you know... It might push back up. I get it. I'm okay with it, so... Fuck it, A. I just don't like that we bounce off the VWAP like that. But still, five contracts, $1,200, another profitable trade. That's 3 trades a day. We had 1 loser that we stopped out on. We made it back on the second trade. The third trade here, another $1,000. So, you know, you guys have your choice. You could pick who you want to watch on YouTube. You know. Or not. It's up to you. Totally. So. Look at that. Right there. I should have put my stop. I should have put my target like right above the VWAP there. Because I would have obviously. Could have got like 5 more points there. Could have got like 5 more points there. We are real close. We got a $1,000 giveaway coming up. $1,000 cash. If you guys stick around to get 6,000 people watching right now. Can you show the VWAP settings? Sure. Those are my VWAP settings. All right, all right. We're just sitting back. We're waiting. We're watching. If you're just now tuning in, had a little bit of drama this morning. Looks like Tradeify no longer wants to be a part of the BDH. It happens, but I've got to stand on my ground, and I can't partner with companies who promote scammers. So that's their choice. It's their business. They can do what they want with it. And I'm happy for them. So there's that push. Look at the Nasdaq down there to the 70s. That was our target. We were right there, man. Right there, man. That was it. Down there to the 70s now. Congrats if you stayed short. Nice work to Ruben. Nice work to Ruben. Got the bottom of that range, 22,490. It gave it up. I mean, now I think the overnight low kind of in play, right? overnight low, maybe that gap fill as well. 22,413 area gets us back to the gap. You can see here, like on the Qs right now, if you get rid of, go to the regular trading hours, that's where that gap's at. QQQ right now kind of pulling back. That 540 area makes sense. Now we're below the VWAP here. Think about maybe take another trade here, another short on these funding ticks accounts. Just gonna see where this candle kind of does with the VWAP here. We got the bottom of the opening range at the 90s. That 15-minute chart, look at that big pushback up right to the 500s again. This could be like a really good spot to get short, or it's going to be a really bad spot because it's going to just squeeze back up. I'm a little hesitant now. We're back above the VWAP here. I want to see what happens here. Right there, stuck at the 500s. That, like I said, oh, that's 20 points off the 500s now. These candles aren't looking too sexy. I feel like I'd be FOMOing into it now, just short here. We're right there at that VWAP again. Oh. That 500 rejection, that would, oof. That was it. That was the spot to get short right there. This candle's about to close at the low of that previous candle. In theory, this should take us lower now. I'm going to try a short here. Maybe add into it as well if we push back up. Basically stop above 500s. Only got 4 contracts, so I can always add into it. I liked how that candle just basically denied this whole entire candle right here and just came right back down. So see if we can't make a new low through the 60s there next. Maybe a chop, maybe. Maybe. This candle could just fucking reach straight down there now. That 5-minute chart, I mean, it makes me feel pretty good as long as we can stay below that 500 level, that we can move down here. But this little chop back up is not fun to sit through. I'm still short. Look at the screen, everybody. My stop's above 500 here. Another wick, wicks. I love how my entry is now support for the whole fucking market. Don't worry, boys. 78s. 78 support. 78 support. Right there at the fucking VWAP. Dude, again, Tradeify, like, freaking out again. Why does it do that? It keeps, like, changing my accounts. Well, this is fucking stupid. If this goes higher, it is what it is. You know, it just kind of is what it is. There really should be no reason for this to go higher, but welcome to the world that we live in today. If we break this 75, I'm gonna add. See if we can get some continuation out below the VWAP there again. Mel and Mel Za. My entry is, I'm holding the whole market up, boys. The whole market is being supported by Patrick Wieland's entry here, short. Don't worry, I got this. I'll fucking hold it up for everybody. It's most likely going down. Yeah, no shit. Come on, chat. Get through the 65s there. Oh, God. I jinxed it. Are you kidding me? How? If this candle goes all the way back up above the 80s, I'm going to be mind blown. Wow. It's a scam. Bro. How? Why? That makes no sense. Spaghetti. Spaghetti spagato. All right, well, I guess the bulls want to go higher here now. Failed bear flag. I think I got to get out of it now. Fucking A. That sucks. That was stupid. Are we going to go just straight back up now? What a fucking joke that was. We had a failed bear flag to the downside. Nasdaq trying to pop it back up above that 500s again. If we get back above that 500s, well, then it's like the middle of the range. Try to push back up. We're right there at the VWAP. You can see the QQQ holding up there as well. 540s now. Which way does it go? The trend is your friend. The only way is up. Correct. The market only goes higher. Is Tradeify slow and lagging? Yes, it is. Keeps like kind of logging me out and logging me back in and stuff. Doing weird stuff. Nasdaq just chopping around here. Definitely the solar flares. 100%. Always the solar flares. Solar bears. You guys, anybody remember the Orlando Solar Bears? Orlando Solar Bears. For an ice hockey team. That was funny. We got some sellers kind of stacking up right below 500. Just kind of going nowhere now. Chopped it right back down to the VWAP again. I got stopped out of the short earlier. Just holding up there the VWAP, going nowhere. What would Dakota do? I don't know. What would he do? What would Dakota do? I think it wants to pop through 500. I mean, it's just getting real tight down here. Maybe pop back up there towards the 520s again. There's that pop through the 500s. Still just holding up there, going nowhere. Mr. Nasdaq. Mr. Nasdaq. Mr. Nasdaq. What you gonna do, Nasdaq? Nowhere. All right, they gotta. If they get it above that 500 level, that I would see maybe we can start pushing up there towards the high from again, to the opening range high. Right? In theory, isn't that the theory here? That would be the theory, Patrick. Nasdaq's sitting right there trying to go. We got 5,000 people watching. Let's go. Will we make new highs here? Or not new highs, but break through this 500 level. It's a battle. It's a fucking battle, chat. Either way, we're green on the day right now. We're up $1,300. We got these 0 straight to funded accounts with funding ticks right now. That's right, funding ticks, the best deal in the industry. You can check out the onlypropfirms.com website, prop firm comparison. Go here, and if you look, 50K account, true cost of funding right now, the cheapest in the industry, Funding Ticks Pro, $87. They're trying to push it, man. They're trying to push it. What will happen with your Tradeify account now? I don't know. I'll probably just blow it up. Blow it up in all the wrong ways. If you're just now tuning in, it seems like me and Brett Simba broke up today. He cheated on me with a known scammer, and now we can no longer be friends, I guess. But that's the choice that they made, not me. This morning, Tradeify TV featuring this guy. That is not, it's just bad. It's just bad look. Bad look for the industry. You're gonna let this guy who literally fucking promoted the biggest scam in the prop firm industry, and then you put him on your stream. It's just, you know, he was the CEO of Funding Family Futures, and then magically quit, and now Danny's dad's running it. It's a bad look for the industry, honestly. Really just bad. So I think it's like, it's almost a slap. It's almost a slap in all the customers' faces. Like, it's just bad. It's just, again, it's not personal. You know, I got nothing against Brett and those guys, Tradeify. They've done me well. You know, it's all worked out. I've gotten paid and all that, but for them to do that, it's just kind of like, I can't really support that. So, hey, you know, that's their business, not mine, and they get to do what they want with it. Why do you not open your own prop firm? I don't really want to. I like the business that I have, you know? I like this business. Like, I have a great business going, right? It really is great, because when you think about it, what do? I go on YouTube, I day trade, I have fun, we talk, we trade. People buy prop firm accounts. Like, I don't have to run a business. I don't have to be responsible for payouts. You know, I don't have to be, you know, I don't have to, yeah. That's kind of, to be honest, it's kind of what I like. It's a better business for me. I'm an entertainer. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a day trader. I don't want to be a fucking prop firm CEO, you know? So right now, market just kind of going nowhere. 500 level stuck there for now. And we'll see what happens. But right now, just kind of going nowhere. Yeah, and also, like I said before, the great thing about the deal that I have is if you guys, if we have a profitable trade, you know, if we make money trading live here on YouTube, like, that's good, right? Because it doesn't come out of my pocket, you know. So that's the way I look at it. If we make money, we're all winning together, right? Like, it's great. Whereas if I owned a prop firm, whenever you guys made money, I would lose money. So, like, you know, it's hard to be, you know, it's hard to be. It's hard to be like that. So I'll show you guys this. I've got basically, I've got my Apex account, right? That I've got about $330,000 in it right now. This month alone, we are currently up $121,000. If you ever are watching a YouTuber on YouTube and they won't show you this type of stuff, you know, you wonder. You're like, oh, last month I made $147,000. This month I made $120,000. This is my Apex 150K account. I've got one Apex account currently. So I've been just kind of growing it. You can see my balance, or the account equity, is $489,687,000. That's a 150K account. And yeah, man, I'm just chilling. I don't know. It's frustrating. Again, like, I guess I'm just frustrated. I'm like confused. I'm like, why would Tradeify do that? You know, like, why? You know, I don't know. It's just why. Why choose the proven scammer who gives no value to this industry to promote him over the guy who's on top of your leaderboard? You know, I just, like, I don't know. I don't understand it. It's weird. It's very weird. It's a weird thing. They've used you and now they're done with you. Well, you know, the best part is we all know how that goes. We all know how that goes. Once you go to war with PW, you know, it's not good. So, and it looks, yeah, Tradeify's done. They paid me out. We're done. So they just sent me an email. This is the last of my affiliate money. I do no longer promote Tradeify. I have nothing to do with Tradeify. So good on them. You know, standing their ground. They promoted a scammer. Someone who's legitimate is actually trying to make this industry better. And they fired me. So good work to Brett Simba. Very, very great business plan here. So I was their biggest affiliate, biggest trader. And they fired me because they wanted to promote Jay Dunn. That just proves to show you what prop firms really are about, what their real goal is. The goal is not to promote actual good traders. Their goal is to promote scammers. So there you go. It is what it is. Congratulations. Well, like I said, and the best part is, guys, like, I could have not said anything, right? I could have been quiet. I could have just kept getting my six 6-figure paychecks every month, I could have done that. You know, I really could have. But I chose to not because I care more about this, you know, kind of, I care more about it. Like, I don't know, instead of trying to get paychecks. So, yeah, weird business move. I think I'm done with that. Maybe I go, I don't know what else to do. So, yeah, big shout out to Brett Simba for making I think it's a real fucking retarded choice, but hey, again, you know, it's their business. So, good luck with that. If you guys think that Jay Dunn is the better choice than the PW, I mean, I don't. Whatever, man. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. I mean, you know, it is what it is, chat. That's what it is. So, do I miss a lot of money? No. Well, I mean, it's 100. They paid me $100,000. So, Brett's in here. Now Brett's in here. What? I never cut you. You said cut me. No, Brett. Do you really want the receipts? Do we need to show the receipts? Do you want to show the receipts? Here's the receipts, chat. Brett texted me, right? And said, "Are you going to keep going?" Oh, switched around. Can't do it this way. Can you see it that way? I can't see it. Either way. All right, look. Fuck. How do I make this work? Oh, this way. There's the text from Brett. There's the text from Brett. Post it on Twitter, Brett. You fucking chose Jay Dunn, the biggest piece of shit scammer in this industry, who literally runs a Discord, makes no money trading. He makes no money trading, Brett. And you're going to promote that fucking scammer? Like, I know you're fucking butt buddies with him. I know you love to suck fucking Jay Dunn off. But that's literally a joke. It's a joke, bro. You partnered with a scammer. What am I going to do? I'm not going to sit back and be like, yeah, guys, I love Tradeify. Right? Like, why would I do that? It's a bad look. It's bad for the industry. It's bad for everybody. That's terrible move. Terrible move. Terrible. And the fact that you're in the chat still talking clearly means that you're the one losing, not me. Because guess what? I'm going to make money no matter what, Brett. No matter what. You know, either way, I'm making money, Brett. You know? Why would I damage? I mean, well, it's weird. It's just a weird move. Very weird. Again, I don't run a prop firm. I don't really give a fuck. Let them do what they're going to do. We all know where, hey, do I need to pull it up again and show everybody what happens when you work with Jay Dunn? What happens, you know? Do we need to rehash that? Do we need to go back and look and see like what happens when you partner with Jay Dunn? Oh yeah, you get fucked over. Remember when he used to run a prop firm and then fucked everybody over and then left? Oh yeah, that's weird. I don't remember that. What? I mean, what? Remember this? Remember when Jay Dunn was defending Danny Trades, Brett? Do you remember that part, or are you just oblivious to that part? You oblivious to that part, aren't you? He's oblivious to, he don't want to talk about this part. He don't want to talk about this part. Brett don't want to talk about this part. He don't want to talk about this part. Make them eat their words, Danny. They're going to look so bad. Funded family will look great as usual. That's weird. That's a weird deal, bro. That's weird. Like, I mean, no offense, but like, I don't know how anybody could promote this. Just weird. Very weird. Very, very weird. Why? I just don't get it. Literally, Jay Dunn was defending Danny Trades. He knew that Danny Trades was scamming everybody. He knew that Danny Trades was charging $3,000. Danny Trades was charging $3,000 for a private mentorship that he never did, and Jay Dunn had to refund the people. Danny Trades had people fly to California. They showed up, and it was literally just Danny sitting there. Literally, people paid $3,000 to learn how to day trade from Danny Trades, and then Jay Dunn had to refund them. Like, they all knew it was all one big fucking scam, one big circle fucking jerk. And Brett, no, what, Patrick, what? Dude, a joke, bro. It's a fucking joke. Literally. Oh, no, we don't remember that part. I don't remember the part where Jay Dunn fucked everybody over and ran a prop firm and then literally changed the rules. How many times? How many times does fucking funded family futures, change the rules on everybody? Come on. And Brett's gonna promote that? That's what you're gonna promote? Like, that's what you want to be promoting? That's just bad. Look at that. Oh, it's live. I'm tweeting live on YouTube. Good thing I'm taking a vacation for the next 2 days. Again, like I said, guys, I didn't have to say anything, right? I didn't. I could just sit there and just keep making money and just laughing all the way to the bank. I could have. So remember that, right? This is my affiliate payment for the month so far with Tradeify. Just to be totally transparent. $106,000. So I am literally walking away from $1 million a year because I cannot promote a company that promotes Jay Dunn, right? That is the truth here. So Brett Simba can say whatever he wants, but here's the truth. Jay Dunn is a fucking scammer. Tradeify put Jay Dunn on their stream to promote his fucking Bear Bulls fucking Discord. The kid sells Discord memberships. He does not trade. He's a scammer. That is the truth. Nobody can deny that. Nobody. What there is a truth though? You can say I'm a scammer. You can say Patrick Wieland, you're a scammer. That's fine. Say it all you want. But the one thing that they can't fucking show is simply this. Nobody can show this. Hey, where are all the Discord sellers at? Why are none of the Discord sellers on top of the list? Why is that? If I'm a scammer and why? Why? Where am I at on the list? Oh, I'm number 1. I don't see Jay Dunn. I don't see anybody on there. I'm confused. I'm so confused here. I don't understand. I mean, if I make $1 million a year at Tradeify, yes, I would have made them, 10 million. So yeah, they're missing out on it. I'll be all right. Like I said, my virtue You know, my values are more important than the money, I guess, at the end of the day. So, like I said, it is what it is. Good job, Brett. And again, like he says, oh, I text you to see if you're going to quit talking. And I'm like, well, I mean, you're the one who's got Jay Dunn on it. I didn't put Jay Dunn on my stream. And I wasn't the one promoting Jay Dunn. I wasn't. So, hey, hate me if you want, but I'm not the one promoting the fucking scam. You know, hey, that's on you, not me, bro. That's on you, not me. That's on you, not me. The best part is, by the way, guys, look at this. This is on Tradeify's Twitter, right? They posted the fact that Jay Dunn was going to be on their stream. And literally, look at the comments. All the comments are literally talking about this guy being a scammer. It wasn't just me, but I'm the only one that has a voice. So yes, I'm going to put it out there. Tradeify made a very, very bad choice to put a fucking known scammer on their stream. Right? And that's where I have to draw the line. So, it is what it is. Right now, Nasdaq just kind of chop around here at the VWAP. At the VWAP here. The good thing is, you know, the good thing is, even if I never get paid as an affiliate ever again, right? Even if I never get any money as an affiliate ever, guess what, chat? I can still make money trading. Don't you worry. You know, there's my account with Apex right now. You can see 44 days, 337,000 P&L. Daddy's going to be okay. Daddy's going to be okay. So, yeah, he going to be okay. Nasdaq just chopping her out here. Oh. Hey, there's only one way to end this out, man. There's only one way to end this. This is the last stream from the BDH for over a month and a half, by the way. So, yeah, man. We're going to Hawaii. I ain't stressing. I ain't stressing, baby.
Wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men. Wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest. Something like Ali in this prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocking the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble. Show your ass with my gun. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead. Lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your legs. I walk around, gun on my waist. Chip on my shoulder, top bust a clip in your face. Post to this beef ain't over. Many men. Many men. Wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men. Wish death sunny days wouldn't be special if it wasn't for rain. Joy wouldn't feel so good if it wasn't for pain. Death gotta be easy, cause life is hard. It'll leave you physically, mentally, and emotionally scarred. This is for my niggas on the block, twisting trees and cigars. For the niggas on lock, doing life behind bars. I don't say only God can judge me, cause I see things clear. Quick as crackers, I give my black ass 100 years. I'm like Paulie and Goodfellas, you can call me the Don.
Nasdaq is doing nowhere. So I'm gonna go walk away and cry myself to sleep tonight. I'm gonna go walk away and cry myself to sleep tonight. I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep tonight. I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep tonight. Mercy on my soul. Have mercy on many men. Many, 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 many men. The funny part is, you know who? Hey, whose box were we in? Whose box were we in? Whose box was it? PW's box. I invited Brett and his wife. I invited Brett and his wife to my box, you know? And I invited Brett and his wife. I didn't have to, but I did, you know? And this is how he gonna come at me? He gonna come at me, you know? He gonna come at me? He gonna come at me? I didn't go to his fucking box. Came to my box. Remember that. Many man, you man, you man, you man. All right, I'll pick $1,000. I'll pick $1,000 winner here. There's a link in the chat. Go leave a comment on that link or on that tweet, and I will. I'll let you know. Have mercy on many men, many, 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 many men. Many, 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 many. Fuck it is. Man, it's about many men. Many, many men. Many men. And it sucks because, like, honestly, like, I was doing good at Tradeify. I got nothing against Tradeify, right? Like, you know, everything was good. It's just like I can't, you know, I can't sit here and watch them promote somebody that is literally just like a terrible person, you know? I just can't do that. I can't do it. So it is what it is. Yeah. 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 All right, we got $1,000 giveaway here. Let's see who's the winner. Damn. Damn, dog. Damn. DayTrader. That's real. Subscription canceled. Damn, dog. I'm gonna send you $500, DayTrader. I'm gonna send DayTrader $500. I'm gonna send him a DM right now. Coming through. Oh god, there's my fucking DMs on there again. Yeah. Yeah. All right, and I got another winner. We're picking another winner, but I'm gonna give DayTrader $500. That's some die hardness right there. Bro fucking canceled his account because of PW. Let's go. All right. I'm loading all these comments really quick. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we got the winners. I'm gonna scroll. I don't know how to do this the best. All right, I'm just scrolling up and down here. Closing my eyes. And fuck. I need the song to keep going. What's another thing? Oh, I like the box, actually. No, not that one. The box. Oh. No. All right. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm just scrolling up and down here. I'm not looking. I swear I'm not looking here. I'm scrolling and I'm stopping. This guy, chart session. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh. Oh, bro. Oh, no. First thing he reposted was Brett Simba. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, no, no. Can't do that one. Sorry. Sorry. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, God. All right, stop it. Oh, shit. Angus. Let's see. We got Angus. Fuck his mom. Hit the hard. Sounds fun. I like that. I like that vibe. Fuck his mom. Hit the hard. Wow. Okay. That's a vibe. That is a vibe. Okay. I like that. I like that. Nasdaq going absolutely nowhere right now, sitting there at 22,480s currently. Will the Nasdaq make new lows, start to dip down? Start to dip down. She's dipping. Wow. There she goes. Lazy. So Cash App. Bro, this guy is getting so much money today. No, 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 no. Where you at, wap? Where you at, wap? All right. $1,000. 7,000 Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Is that Hong Kong? Is HKD Hong Kong? I don't really know. It just says HKD. What's Hong Kong? Hong Kong! Hong Kong dollar. Look at that. We sent $7,000. Hard rock dollar. It's a hard rock king dollar. Hong Kong dollar. Congratulations to our friend here, Angus, who got $7,000 Hong Kong. So it's pretty awesome. Oh man, what a day, what a day. I did not think today was gonna end the way that it ended, but it just it is what it is. Like I said, I can't stop myself. I can't just sit here and watch one of my partners promote somebody that I've gone to war with. I just can't do that. It's not a good look for anybody. Nasdaq still going lower here. New lows now. This is that move down. We got stuck at the middle of the range. got stuck below it, below the VWAP again, moving down. 22,450s there now. So it gets exhausting carrying around these big old elephantitis nuts all day, man. So the good thing is I will be streaming. I'll be in Hawaii for like a month and a half. We'll be in Hawaii for like a month and a half or so. And yeah, it'll be good. So I'll be streaming from Hawaii, and we got some good stuff coming. I will not be live tomorrow. I'll be streaming at 3 a.m. in Hawaii. So I'll be live probably next Monday. Next Monday I'll be back, and we'll see how she goes. Right now, Nasdaq is kind of dipping down there. We're green on the day and all the accounts that matter. And everything else, we just kind of let it be. So there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Talk to you guys. I'll talk to you when I talk to you. Hey, the funny part is, like, the next time I talk to you, you know where I'm going to be. I'll be in Hawaii. So see you guys in Hawaii. We got some big stuff coming. We might do some live streams while we're fishing on the boat. That could be cool. What do you think? Do a live stream on the boat? Ginger likes it. Should we do it? We'll do it. Either way. Big Island, Kona, I'm coming. Hawaii, PW is going to win some money. We got like millions of dollars coming up for the fishing tournaments and all that fun stuff. So we'll be back for sure. 100% I'll be live next Monday. If I'm not live on Friday, next Monday. I'm going to try to be live on Friday. I'm going to try. We get in at like 8 o'clock at night. If I set everything up, it'll be tight. It'll be very tight. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to do Friday, but if not, I'll see you guys Monday. I love you. I'll see you later. Like always, stay green. The trend is your friend. Don't fight it. Market right now making new lows. The ES is filling the gap right now. Take a look at the ES. Take a look at the Nasdaq. Walk away. If you're up green on the day, nothing wrong with walking away, enjoying it. Like we had Steven here just the other day. Steven came in here. He talked about, like, hey, you know, I make a little bit of money every day. Do that consistently. Guess what? A little bit of money turns into a lot of bit of money, right? A little bit turns into a lot. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. And at least I can tell you, like, hey, you know, I'm here for you guys. We traded live. I showed you guys my entries, my exits this morning. We had one little loser at the beginning. We got it back. We're green on the day. And that's what the big focus is here. So I feel pretty good about it. We had some good trades today. I felt like the market didn't give us a lot of opportunities, but we're green. And that's the goal. So, yeah, the ES is like really, really going here. So that I would not. I mean, the ES is already, look at, I just want to show you. The ES has already filled the gap, right? ES is down there, filled the gap. Will the NASDAQ want to fill this gap from the overnight as well? I'm a little worried. Well, I'm not worried, but like, it's just, you know, the NASDAQ's like right there. You just don't want the ES to start ripping back up after filling that gap. And then the NASDAQ kind of does like a little fake out, doesn't really fill the gap. You know what I mean? Like, that's one way to look at it. Or this whole thing just starts cratering and the market sell. So there it is. Love you guys. See y'all later. Peace to the Middle East.